now you have a document that you created from a template on Google Docs. We use class notes, and hopefully yours looks like the one I have on the screen. So the one I have here, I actually took all my information away. I have nonfiction, fact 1, fact 2, fiction, fact 1, fact 2, and the reason I like nonfiction. Now what you want to do now is kind of make this paper or document your document. Like, I don't like this right here, so I'm going to just take it away. And this picture here, class note, that's not too bad. I can deal with that. But I might even change it to class notes about fiction and non-fiction. So to make it a little bit even, I'm going to just do that. You're going to make some mistakes, but you can always fix your mistakes by hitting the little arrow key at the top of the screen. Not the straight line arrow, but the curve arrow before you get to the URL. And it looks right about here. So you can use that to go back and change something if you need to. And this blue line here is telling me that they don't like the way nonfiction was spelled, so I'm going to double click it and get that spelling from them. On the next step for us is to actually put some more images up there or some more information or make it decorative. Now, in order to find the document that you worked on Monday, or was it Tuesday, you have to go back to your Google homepage. The best way to figure out how to get to your document you created is to go to those little dots again at the top right-hand corner. Click on the dots, and you want to go to Drive. And if you click on Recent, I'm going to bet 9 times out of 10 you'll get the information you're looking for. So hit Recent, and here you go. Just class notes right there. Now, I don't think anyone renamed this, so it should be called class notes. And you just click it, and then you go, maybe you click it twice, and then you can get to your information that you did on Tuesday. So either way, you have it right there. We're going to try to manipulate it so it looks a little better than it does right now. So for this part of the assignment, we're going to actually have to create 2 screens so we can use Google on one side and your document on the other side. And what I would suggest you do is you have your big document right here and these little 2 boxes right there. You click it, it makes it 1 box. And then hit the plus sign and then pull this box into it right there. So now I have 2 boxes on my screen, and if you can change it a little bit so it's just the right size so you're not touching each box. And somehow I have a screensaver back here I can't get rid of on my computer, but that's for a later date. So once again, just adjust it so it gets right at the edge there, and you have 2 boxes open now. Okay, and also you can kind of manipulate this. The arrow key, you can bring it down right here. You can take it over if you need to. So, and we want to kind of use it so we can look at this picture right there. The goal is to put a picture or an image there that you can actually use that fits your information you've written down for your project. So now that you have 2 screens open, we want to try to find a picture or an image that relates to your nonfiction and fiction activity you did. So I like nonfiction. So I'm going to do nonfiction books, Surly Bikes. And I'm going to click on images, and I'm going to pull this picture up right here. I think this is called the ice cream truck. And once again, you can move to the side here. Now, when you're taking information from the internet, you want to make sure you give those people credit. So I'm going to just save the picture, copy the picture, but I'm also going to put down the website that I got the information from. So this picture here, I'm going to go ahead and by 2 fingers, it's going to say copy image. So now I have that image, and I'm going to make this screen go away in my document. So when I do that, I'm going to put this picture somewhere on this document. I can choose to put it right here at the top where I can't move it at all. Well, by clicking this, the wrap text, I can move the image, but then my words move. So that happens. It just depends on what you want to do. And you can make it smaller, bigger, however you want to do it. But I'm going to hit the undo button, take it back where it was. I want to actually delete this picture. And now it's gone. I'm going to hit two fingers and hit paste. And there's the picture. So by clicking on the picture, it allows me to keep it there, this little icon there. I can wrap it around and bring it into the text, or you probably can bring it into the side of the text also. Let's see what happens. It's kind of a big picture. Yeah, it goes in the side of it. I might make it a little bit smaller so I can put it up into my document a little better. And that way, it still kind of messes around with the words a little bit, so you may want to just play around it and put it in a certain place. And you can click here, more adjustments and size and rotation, but just play around with it. You're not going to break anything. You can turn it that way if you want to. But just play around with the document or the picture itself. So the goal is to get this image into your document and somehow maneuver the words, the picture, the title, everything to make it fit the way you like it and want to see it. So the last step we're going to do is actually give credit to the person or people we got the image from. And that's real easy, simple. And as you can see, here's my picture right here, and it says, I'm thinking 29 inches is going to be the website. There's a little circle here about the earth. So I'll click onto that. And all we're going to do, since we're not trying to sell this image or do anything with it, we're just trying to give credit to where we got the information from. So we're going to just kind of go up here and just click on the website. I'll make it bigger so you can see. And just click onto it. And once again, two fingers, and you hit copy. Then I'll take it small again, and I'll go over to my document, make it big again, and you can put it somewhere small at the very bottom if you want to. But click onto the end of your paper and just kind of go down and just two fingers and hit paste. Oops, put it in the wrong place, but I can just easily hit the enter button. That pushes it down right there. Okay, so that's what I did, and that's all you need to do. Nothing too hard, just to kind of get you guys used to using these documents. So hopefully we'll have a finished product today. If not, you can work on it over the weekend, or you can work on it at your own pace when you get a chance to. All right, see you later.